So today we are riding around. This is what I look like when I don't feel like getting dressed and looking like anything. So I got on my Hey Arnold shirt, got my Starbucks coffee, and we're just gonna ride around to different stores in my area that have, you know, good supplies for crafting. So we're on our way to Valentine's Day. You know, Valentine's Day is next month. So we're gonna go check out the dollar store. Target also has some really good things for us to check out as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and just kind of ride around and do what we're gonna do and check it out. Also, by the way, guys, I actually just got this car. This is my first car. I just got my license in December. So yay me, finally got my license. So it's really nice to be able to drive around to the stores myself rather than having to catch Ubers and Lyfts, because woo, it gets expensive. Or relying on, you know, friends like that. It all gets kind of expensive. So it's really great to be able to do it myself, and then it's gonna be great for going to craft shows as well. So we're just gonna go ahead. I wanna show you guys everything that I found, you know, what I think is a good deal, what I think you could probably find for a better deal somewhere else. Absolutely. And we're just gonna go ahead and get to it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's do it. So we are starting out with Dollartree, and they have the heartstring lights back again this year. They typically have those every year, in my opinion, no matter what Dollar Tree I go to. But, you know, they have a pretty good selection. The Dollar Tree that I'm in doesn't have the biggest selection compared to most Dollar Trees, but considering they have a pretty good amount of things. You know, they have the cute little bags. They have, you know, the mitts, the cookie cutters, you know, cute little cups, baskets, you know, a lot of different things that you can do some, you know, at-home crafts with, or even some things that you can, like, add to your crafts for selling. And, of course, the cute little candies and everything, and the Be Mine cards and all of those things are back at Dollar Tree this year. Everything seems to be pretty good from my perspective, even with the $1.25 for everything at Dollar Tree. And look at the gnomes. They are so cute. And they're a nice size for $1 in my opinion. So I'm going to go like with a yay on the gnomes, especially the wooden ones. They're going to be great for the wreaths. So now we're on to Target. And we have some Klingons. This is in that section of Target where most of them have it now, where it's like a $5 or less thing. And they have some really cute things there. Look at these gnomes. They are so cute. And you get 3 gnomes for $3. So that's really not bad. They're not as big as the ones we saw at Dollar Tree, but these ones are cute. And they have some character, in my opinion. Then they have, you know, some other cute things, like your cute little boards. They have these risers. The heart-shaped risers are really cute, guys. If you're doing a craft show around Valentine's Day, I think this will be a good buy for that. And they're only $5, so I don't think that's bad at all. And they're really nice. They come in 2 different colors. You can also, you know, upgrade them and sell them yourself as well. Cute little wreath. And then the cute little pillows at the bottom. They have hearts, ones with hearts, ones that say love. You know, each store is different, so your store might have a different theme for the pillow. But they're really nice. And look at these ramekins. The ramekins are really nice. It's a nice price. If you're making, you know, souffles, I think these ramekins would be really good for you. And then, of course, the cute little candies. And everything is pretty reasonably priced, I would definitely say. Then you have a cute little mailbox. You know, you need a new mailbox for your house. Here, it's a cute mailbox. Not Valentine's related, but cute. And, of course, you know, things for your home, you know, oven mitts. Also, you can decal these oven mitts yourself with your own saying. So that's a really good craft to do. And these are cute. They're little telephone booths. I think these are adorable. At least I think these are telephone booths. They look like one to me, like the London booth. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, right? And then we have some of these cute little heart-shaped boxes. The cute little heart shelf. I actually got this for my house, guys. I thought it was adorable, and it's $5. Why not? The Valentine's tic-tac-toe, which you saw in the corner. And the cute little Lazy Susans. Those little Lazy Susans were $5, I think. I got a couple of them so that I can decal them myself for my home and potentially for a business as well. And not Valentine's related, but this is really cute. For $5, you know, take off your shoes and stay a while. I think this is really good. I like that a lot. And the cute little mini brooms and stuff. But that's enough for the rest of the items that are not really Valentine's Day related. But these are still really nice, you know, items to buy under $5. So I would definitely go ahead and check out that under $5 section at Target for your Valentine DIY and just little cute things for you when around the house. Last but certainly not least, we're at Joann's. These are really nice for if you can get them in, putting them inside like your snow globe tumblers. These are going to be really nice for that. So we're going to get them. And we're going to get these too. Everything in Joann's is currently 40% off. And I also grabbed the chenille stems because they're on sale. All Christmas related decor is on sale 80% off at Joann's right now. So this is a great time to stock up on your stuff for next year. You know, why pay full price next year when you can pay only 20% of it this year and still use them for next year? So you definitely want to make sure you're catching all of the sales. So let's see what else is on sale in Joann's. These are good if you have a stamper or you want to make your own, you know, thank you cards or your little tags, your handmade tags, or for anything you want to use to make these with. It's a lot of different uses of these cards. Okay, 50% off Park Lane paper sets. These are like the cardstock type papers. Different types of cardstock. Ooh, these are pretty. Ooh. Okay, all storage containers are 25% off this week. Check your local Joann's to see what the current local sale is for your Joann's. Oh, 50% off of these though. Let's see. So I would not buy the scrapbook containers from here at 50% off. They are only going to be about $10. Okay, so we had to switch to voiceover because that cart was really loud. But at $10, you can get these same ones at Michael's, the scrap paper or scrapbook boxes. Now here's just me showing you some more things that, because they came out around the holiday season, they might not be holiday themed exactly, but because they came out around that time, they're also 80% off. So go ahead and check those out as well. So we're just going to go ahead and just continue on about the store, looking around at everything. We have the Gildan shirts over here, which is typically the normal sale they have, where they're 4 for $12. Sometimes they go a little lower. It depends on the type of shirts you're doing. If you're doing HTV and heat transfer vinyl, you're good to go. They don't sublimate well. They're not for sublimation. So again, just slide on around the store. I actually did come in here to get me some wooden letters. So I will be leaving with wooden letters today. I left with them, just so you know. I did. They did not, however, have an A for me, which was really sad because I really wanted to put a new letter in my room. We will do a letter video soon, so don't worry. The glitter selection here is pretty small in comparison to a lot of other places. I mostly buy my glitters online, but I have an order that my online glitter store may not come here for. So we're going to see what we have in the form of some pinks. What kind of pinks do we have? So I have this in the house, and this is actually a little cheaper at the Michael's. Let's see out here. Pink raspberry. This is pretty though. I like the chunky glitter, so we're gonna get this. Like I said, these bigger glitters, like these are really great for stuffing them inside of those snow globe tumblers. Like these are just really pretty, and so it's just good to keep these on hand. The price isn't really anything special. It's not bad, it's not great. And that's all, folks, for our video today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel out. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section and what you want to see next. Bye!